This afternoon, I'm in the area of Zone 4, which is my area where I have most of my greens and trees and more pasture for the sheep and all. But we had to clean it because it was getting out of hand. We've had quite a bit of rain in the last couple of weeks since the rainy season is just starting. And so things just kind of started growing again, which is great. But here you can see with the overgrowth, we've got to clean in order to get in between the beds. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And so what I'm going to show you here is this is one of the raised beds, but I can't get through to it because things are just overgrowing. I've got some kale here. There's some peppers, tomatoes. There's some beans up there. And down below, there's some cabbage and some squash. But we're cleaning today. And the guys started at the end. I'm going to walk through here a little bit to see if I can get through to one of the other path areas. So you can see here some of the squash and melons. Leaves are here. Some weeds, but we're cleaning. Over there, I've got some more squash and some collards. And then down below here is a lot of feed for the sheep as well. So the goal is to kind of clean it so where we can get through in order to harvest the food. I'm not trying to make it look super beautiful like some gardens on TV. The purpose is to have as much food growing and to grow within nature, how nature grows, and using whatever we have here on the farm. So I'm going to walk a little further down here. And see what else we have. We harvested quite a few greens yesterday, so I don't need any today. Pounds and pounds of greens. I had kale and bok choy and collards and cabbage. And it's nice because I love the red cabbage. But this is from afar. I've got some lemons up there as well, some papayas. Down in this area is where the guys are cleaning more. This is where we have our frigideros that has been turned from the corral. So this is what we're going to put on the beds as a natural fertilizer. Also, they did a nice job cleaning here, so I can walk through. The Boton de Oro is right here. This is lots of protein for the sheep. We do cut this and put this in their corral. It looks good. I can walk through. Very nice. And way up above there are the sheep. So, quite nice. Hasn't rained since this afternoon, so you're getting a little bit more in. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, lemon tree there. Muy bien. Yeah. A lot of times, it's hard to use the weed whacker in this area, so they're just using machetes to clean. Really nice. Mm-hmm. A lemon tree here. No lemons on it like the other one up there. But nice and clean. So you can see it here. A little work needs to be done where the beds are to get in between. But overall, the goal is to have more food growing, and that is happening. So I'm very happy for that. I haven't subscribed to my channel. Please do so. If you like this and want me to talk about more about what I grow and things I grow on the farm, leave a comment, like this video, or share it with a friend. Thanks for watching.